once our identity platform was adopted, we went into the implementation phase, and and I'm talking about my partners on the committee, we recognized that this was going to be different from, say, Nordstrom's or McDonald's that says, here's what we're doing, goes out, filters out to the regions, it gets onto everything. It's very corporate and top-down in nature. We were the opposite. And so we recognized that we were embarking on developing a strong brand for, what did we call it? That would be strictly voluntary on the part of, like I say, about 40 different organizations around the state. And that had very similar interests and concerns, but also saw themselves as being distinctly different from each other in certain ways. So we set out to hire a contractor to help us implement, to create the products that people were asking for. And that was one of the first questions we asked. And we laid it out we interviewed 4 companies, public relations and marketing firms. And we said, this is the opposite of top-down. This is bottom-up. This is strictly voluntary. And we put that question to them. How would you go about creating a strong brand and encouraging people to use it? And I credit our contractor, a Spokane company, for having experience in this realm before, and said, you know, you create a brand with useful tools that people say they need,